Here I have BQ Aquaris X2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So first of all, what you have to do is go to the settings, scroll down a bit to the security and location options, and here you have to select fingerprint. Get to know with fingerprint settings, tap next. Choose screen lock, choose your backup screen lock method, maybe PIN, secure startup, yes. So next you have to set up your PIN, for example 1212, next, re-enter your PIN, confirm. Here you can select if you want to show all notifications content, hide sensitive content, don't show notifications at all when your device is locked. And what you have to do next is to touch. Here you have a fingerprint sensor, and you have to touch it repeatedly. And that's it. And now you can use it to unlock your phone. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.